Long Beach Public Works invited the community to participate in the planting of native buffalo grass at the L.B. Musk Wetlands near Drake Park on Saturday, October 14th, 2023. Once completed, the Long Beach Municipal Urban Stormwater Treatment Facility, or L.B. Musk for short, will reduce pollutants going down the Los Angeles River that ultimately make their way to the Long Beach shoreline.
Today we're here at the Long Beach Musk Wetlands. They're currently under construction. We're getting close to finishing up construction at the end of this year, and right now we're doing landscape irrigation and planting. So today we have a community event here where the community was invited to plant a native buffalo grass. The wetlands' purpose is to help improve stormwater quality in Long Beach. We have our water that's treated at the L.B. Musk facility ultimately flows into this wetland, and it's brackish water, so it's salty water. That's a unique habitat along the lower LA River that's been severely depleted due to development. So we're adding that space back into the LA River here. The roots and leaves of the plants can help to absorb pollutants and metals in their roots and leaves and clean the water before it goes out to the LA River.
The project is expected to be completed in 2024 and will include native compatible and drought tolerant plants, along with a pedestrian path, additional green space, and connectivity. For more information about this project, please visit Public Works website at longbeach.gov/PW.